If you're a student, your career is a student developer, and you're searching for a kit of tools that allows you to run online events in a simple and accessible way, fella, let me tell you, you're in the perfect place.
The goal of the Virtual Event Kit is to equip everyone with the tools to succeed. The Virtual Event Kit will take care of backstage technology so you can focus on designing your dream event.
There's a lot to consider and juggle when running a virtual event.
Like GitHub says, building your brand to hosting your events and keeping your community connected, they have you covered.
The Virtual Event Kit is the best way for you to run any kind of online events like hackathons, workshops, MAAs, and more with just a bunch of clicks. Amazing, right?
The Virtual Event Kit gives students like us the resources to make running online events simple and accessible.
You can design assets with Canva to make your event stand out.
Set up a server for your hackathon with the Discord Hackathon template.
Discord is the easiest way to talk over voice, video, and text to stay connected with your communities.
The StreamYard, very important, I like that, is used for streaming your event to the global audience irrespective of the platform.
The options are endless with the GitHub Virtual Event Kit. Use your favorite tools to organize hackathons, meetups, live coding streams, and more.
It's available to all students and can be accessed through the following steps. 1. You create a free GitHub account. 2. You apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. 3. You access the virtual events kit within the Student Developer Pack.
Becoming a member allows you to learn how to use real-world development tools, and also you can apply to the GitHub Campus Expert program.
So what are you waiting for? The Virtual Event Kit has arrived and is here to help you to grow your community.